Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Brotherhood of Steel. To begin your journey, first exit Vault 101 and follow the main quest. You'll eventually arrive at the Museum of Technology, where you'll encounter Brotherhood soldiers. Engage with Paladin Lyons there. She will be your initial contact. This is the crucial first step to becoming a part of their esteemed ranks and contributing to their mission in the capital wasteland. Your next major task involves retrieving the Garden of Eden Creation Kit, or GECK. This vital device is located deep within Vault 87, a perilous and highly irradiated zone. Be sure to equip yourself with plenty of Rad-X and Rad-Away, as the radiation levels are extreme. You'll face formidable super mutants and other dangers, so prepare for a tough fight. Success here is key to proving your worth. Following your success in Vault 87, you will unfortunately be captured by the Enclave and taken to their formidable base, Raven Rock. Your mission then shifts to a daring escape. You'll need to navigate through their heavily fortified facility, engaging in combat or employing stealth to survive. Make strategic decisions to overcome the Enclave's forces and ultimately rejoin your Brotherhood allies. Once you successfully escape Raven Rock and return to the Citadel, the Brotherhood's headquarters, your induction will be complete. Elder Lyons will formally recognize your extraordinary efforts and unwavering commitment. As a full member, you will gain invaluable T-51B power armor training, allowing you to wear and utilize this powerful suit. You'll then have access to new missions and the full support of the Brotherhood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.